Turns out I was looking in the wrong direction. When alien life entered our world, it was from deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, a fissure between two tectonic plates, a portal between dimensions. To fight monsters, we created monsters of our own. The Jaeger program was born. There were setbacks at first. A neural load to interface with the Jaeger proved too much for a single pilot. A two-pilot system was implemented. Left hemisphere, right hemisphere, pilot control. We started winning. Jaegers stopping kaijus everywhere. But the Jaegers were only as good as their pilots.
Ready in the line, sir.
Raiders, this is Master Sniper Pentecost. Prepare for normal handshake.
Starting in 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11. 10,
Ready to step into my head, kid?
Please, after you.
7,
Age before beauty, old man.
2,
The Drift. Jaeger tech. Based on DARPA jet fighter neural systems. Two pilots mind melding through memories with the body of a giant machine. The deeper the bond, the better you fight.
You know what I'm thinking. I'm in your brain. I know.
Let's go fishing.
Mr. Beckett! Marshall! Looking sharp. Long time.
5 years, 4 months.
Can I have a word? Haven't you heard, Mr. Beckett? The world is coming to an end. So where would you rather die? Here? Or in a Jaeger? Mr. Beckett, Marco Mori, one of our brightest. Also in charge of the Mark II restoration program. She personally handpicked your co-pilot candidates.
イメージと違う。
Hey, 違うって。
失礼しました。あなたの話をよく聞いていたものですから。
For a second, give me a second, please. Why do we judge the kaiju on the categories? It's because each one is completely different from the next, right? See what I'm saying? Like one looks like a shark and one looks like a fish.
Just get to the point.
The point is, I don't think they're all completely different after all. These are some samples I collected, all right? Now this one here was harvested in Sydney. And this was harvested in Manila 6 years ago. They have the same exact DNA. They're clones.
Ready to submerge. All ports sealed, ready to submerge.
Both neural handshakes at 100%.